Alright, so I'm liking this spot right here. If I put my head here, it goes downward. In which the elk seem to know what they were doing, because they managed to crap everywhere where my head would be. So, very nice of you guys, you elk. Appreciate that. Like, I bet Mark's head would go here. Defecate. So that's actually going to go up last. The tent itself, the rope here. I honestly haven't had this together since I put it together the first time. So this will be my only second time ever constructing it. Get these pieces together. Probably not going to show a lot of the construction portions because I believe the commenter said that was, quote, painful to watch. So I'll probably just show some highlights or some sped up shots. I gotta get the two halves snapped back together again, so I'll do that off camera. Okay, so I ended up doing the whole thing off camera because there was a trick to it, and I couldn't quite remember what the trick was. So I ended up just, I got it all up though. So I just fought with it, cursed at it, went ahead and adjusted it off camera, got the pole straightened out. Whew, and I'm out of breath. I put up quite the fight. I gotta be honest. I fought and struggled and everything else. So look at the, I'm gonna need a break. Plus I haven't had lunch, so I'm kind of running on fumes-ish. Alright. Okay, let's get the ground sheet in here. Tell you what, pretty roomy in here, really. Get rid of all the sticks. I'm going to have to sleep on the side. I don't think I'm going to be able to go down the middle because of the poles. But, you know, this thing, this ground sheet is 7 feet long, and it's not even going end to end. So, I think it's going to be long enough. I might touch the side, but maybe not that bad. So I could probably easily have another person in here. So, I get my sleeping pad and my other stuff. Alright, sleeping pad's all inflated. Get that in there. I gotta say, pretty pleased with the setup. I think it's gonna do all right. It's sure pain putting it together though, especially when you're inexperienced. And I've forgotten the trick to doing it, so when I get home I'll have to look up the video again. So I just got one of these little sugar-free drink mixes. Dollar store, man. You can get them for like 10 for $1. Just put a little water, put it in a little water. Just save a Gatorade bottle. Super lightweight. Get hydrated. I haven't had anything to drink basically all day, and I'm gonna eat some of my Tender Bits. That way I can have a little fuel energy, food energy. I won't have to make a fire to make lunch. I have my peanut butter too, so. Then I gotta rehydrate. Oh. Yeah, I gotta say, I was walking by to answer the call, and I was admiring the shelter from just over there, and I gotta say, it's a good looking shelter. I think I like it. I like the way it looks. It's kind of a pain in the ass to put together, but all in all though, I'm pretty pleased with it. It wasn't really overly expensive. I mean, I had to waterproof it. I actually didn't bring another can. I wanted to coat it with another can, but I forgot. So maybe in the next time I'll try to bring a can. And I actually see people walking through the woods. So I wonder where they're going. Well, it looks like someone's been back here. Safeway receipt on the ground. Can laying here, open. Some kind of bag, but they, I don't know if they cleaned all the stuff off the top or not. Kind of looks like they did. What they were doing. But they or someone drank the beer I left here. No note, no surprise. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what they were doing at the top. Maybe they're going to fix it up. Here's the view from the back. Like all the pine needles have been taken off. Huh. I don't know. Maybe they're going to do something with it. Like I was going to do. But then said, oh, you left garbage, so yeah, I'm not doing it now. Well, there's where I made my mac and cheese, among other videos. Well, there's a little wood behind too. Probably wet. Bad recent rain, so yeah, it's all wet. Too bad. Could have burned it up. That's alright. I want to go to forest camp, but I'm not sure if I want to go trudging all that way. See if morels have popped up yet. Because I heard a couple days right after it rained. It was a good time. It's a nice spot too. I almost should have put my shelter here. Come on, bugs. Yeah, right here wouldn't have been it would have been a pretty nice flat spot. Pretty doable. Not much stuff on the ground. Alright. Would have been not bad spot for a tent either.